Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Aftab Sheikh. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. We got freedom from the British on this day. We hold the national flag. We sing the national anthem on this day. Independence Day is the biggest festival of India. We pay tribute to martyrs on this day. Today we have complete 75 years for freedom. Independence Day is the biggest festival of democracy for all Indians. Thank you.
Oh